Hey yo, I'm back again with another episode. So, okay, today I'm here with
Ayanda Ngululeko.
Okay, so Ayanda na Ngululeko la ngizobe nginibuta ama questions ne. La simple nedathi ngawuthi ucabanga. Yabo. So ngawathola right nama questions njengoba bengishilo ngidoninika lo 100 rand.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, question yokuqala ithi you are a bus driver. Le bus lokuyo kuna 74 yebantu. How old is the bus driver?
Huh? 74.
74 years.
Okay, wena.
74 years.
Yabo, nithole wrong.
Huh?
Ngithe wena, you are in a bus, you are the bus driver.
Huh? And I'm nangamuva.
Nice. Yabo.
Baqhubeka.
Okay, if you were born 10 years ago, ngabuna ngayiki manje?
10 years.
16.
10 years. 10 years.
Mngani phendula ngisathi.
Okay.
10 years.
Final answer yakho le.
No.
Inzawu uthi 10.
How? Manje ngitale 10 years ago.
I was smart. Okay. Nayi question yokugcina ke. Sinangayiki ma countries eAfrica.
Ma country eAfrica.
South Africa.
It's about to go down.
Ma country mngani ma province la uchomi
Good. The country.
Got it!
Good. Oh, in Africa.
Choma eSouth eAfrica mngani Africa. I7. 7 chomi.
Okay.
Mara kude mngani.
In China. eAfrica.
Africa.
Okay, now uzinye country Africa.
Bathi Africa Choma eSouth Africa.
Nice.
Africa.
7.
South Africa. South America.
7.
So,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
mine uthi
It's South Africa. It's South America.
nginankinga anhlulile nama questions. Ngitholele one right and ngithi kumele nothole onke. Yosho ukuthi angishayile. Okay, akunankinga. Okay, bafethu sivala njalo as you all know. I'm the servant of Jesus Christ here. So, yeah, njengoba nathi ukuthi I'm a servant of Christ, lo sure that I'm not going down there. What's up, yo? Back again with another video. So, nyalo ngina
Nomfundo Lusenga.
nomfundo Lusenga nabani?
Nothando Mavimbela.
Nothando Mavimbela. Okay. Nomfundo na Nothando. So la narama question njengoba ngishilo. I3. Ngathola inye le wrong lo usho to 50 rand ngithola. Kahlahle lo 100 rand. Lo usho to wathola wrong, lo wathole right nginika yena. Lo angathola wrong, thole right nginika wena. Clear mos? Okay, I'm gonna answer so okay, but anyways,
It's about to go down.
so question yokuqala bo. Kune airplane esuka ngala, i-airplane esuka ngala. Inebantu. Yabo. Isuka ngala ye-China and then i-crash emkhathini kwangala sihlala khona nase-China bawanqwabela kula ama-survivors. Okay, wena? Okay, ngiyacounta 5 4 3
Bongcwabela ngale China.
wena?
Ngala South Africa.
Okay, lama-survivors bawanqwabela i-China wena ngani? Wena uthi ma-survivors bawanqwabela i-Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, akunankinga. Okay, so question is 2. If you were born 10 years ago, ngabe unangayiki nyalo?
Uthini?
If you were born 10 years ago, ngabe udala 10 years ago, ngabe unangayiki nyalo?
Ngabe ngina 10.
Wena?
10.
Okay, alright, bad. Alright, so question yokugcina ne yathi thini? Ithi mara lena very question lokuthi ngasho ukuthi niyayadi. Yabo, because question le labayitholako labaningi. Sinangayiki ma countries eAfrica.
Sina 9.
Okay, wena?
Facabanga.
Okay, 5.
9.
Okay, bathi 9. Question yokuqala ngibutile kambe ithini?
Yes.
Wena ithini?
Ithi bantu mabasuka ngalana bafuna kuya kulelinye live bese aeroplane ya crash umkhathi.
Okay. Ngibute uthi ma-survivors bawangcoba kungani? Wena wathi bawangcoba ku?
China.
Now solo uthi ma-survivors bawangcobela ngala.
Yes.
Ma-survivors basurvivile laba nosho ukuthi abakafi. Why babangcwabi? Ayabuthi ngithole wrong. Yeah, nale ma countries e-Africa sina asite 9 sina 54.
Got him!
Kya bara kunankinga ne. Hayi nishayile sorry. Okay, aningashova bafitha kunankinga.
Nice.
Hey yo, I'm back again. So, okay, today I'm here with
Melusi Ngoma.
Shona Mkweni.
Ngixolisa Nkosi.
okay. Nomxolisi, hey ngara ngeva kahle, okay, but it's fine. Okay, so lapha first njengoba bengishilo ne, ngingathola lama question onke right. Ngingathola inye wrong, le mali aniyithola man, ngingathola onke right. So wathola onke right ngimnika le mali. Kuclear mos.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Abavumile bonke, okay, no problem. Sorry.
It's about to go back.
Okay, so you are the bus driver ne, and kule bus lokuyo kuna 74 yebantu ne. 74 yebantu ngivile mos. So how old is the bus driver?
How old is the bus driver?
Kabangisisa kahle.
Okay,
Process. 74. Process.
45.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, 45 wena. Khuluma
50.
Okay, 50 wena.
A few moments later.
Markna 74 yebantu bhasini.
Shaya khuluma. Ngikunika 3 seconds. 1 2
47.
Okay, 47. Okay, nyalo siyandlula next question. If you were born 10 years ago, ngabe unangaki nyawo?
Ayiqale ngala.
Ayibonze. Ungayeli.
Ngona 11.
Okay, 11 wena.
Ngina 25.
Okay.
Babuna 12.
Okay, lokho kusho ukuthi angesaqhubeka cause lawo ithi unothole wrong. Okay, buke. Unothole wrong. Awufuni kuvi answer. I-question yokuqala lengibutile ithini?
If we pass.
Yeah, yabo, ngisho njalo you nguwe le bus driver. Hey, kumele ngitshele iminyaka wakho.
Marcion, if la bhasini vele abantu bayi 74.
Wena nguwe le bus driver.
La bhasini abantu bayi 74.
Yeah.
Mina nginangaki?
Uy, kumele ngitshele iminyaka wakho man. Hayi bashayile bafethu abakamtholo 50 rand. Ngatile vele. Shaqop.